Hello, this is Chaithanya Vallesi, roll number 21EC30057 from EC department. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the construction of this toy gun model that I have created using FreeCAD as a submission for DIY assignment 1. First off, I select the part design workbench and I create a body. Next up, I create a sketch in the XZ plane and I use the polyline tool to create a basic outline of the main body of the gun. Then I use the pad feature on the outline and check symmetric to plane and give the desired length. Next up, I create 3 datum lines in the XZ plane using the tool in the same workbench, and I create another sketch and I use the polyline tool again and I create the basic outline for the water dispenser. Selecting the sketch, I click revolve and I do a 360-degree revolution, but instead of the sketch axis, I select a reference and assign it to the datum line. Similarly, to the other 2 datum lines, I draw respective sketches. Therefore creating the muzzle and the cartridge. Lastly, I create another sketch and use a square tool to make the trigger. Then I select a few edges of the grip area and hit fillet to make it smoother. So the model is complete and I click export. Now I have opened Cura, an open source slicing application for 3D printing, and I have also imported the STL file that I just exported from FreeCAD. Now I select the object, rotate it sideways and lay it flat. This way we can reduce the amount of support structures formed due to overhanging. Now I select the required printer, open presets and configuration, have an infill density of anything less than 60, and I prefer a fast profile, and I hit slice. So the model takes 5 hours and 28 minutes to print, and there is even a preview. If we are satisfied with the way the model prints, we can hit save to disk and generate UFP files which can be used to print 3D. So that was DIY assignment 1. Thank you.